my God. All right, guys, I thought I was done making these, but clearly I was wrong. So we kind of got an unexpected snowstorm. I had no idea that it was gonna snow. I kind of had an idea it was gonna maybe snow last night. It still really wasn't enough, you know, of a report to maybe switch over wheels and tires. So guys, we are on summer tires again, and it's just an absolute disaster. As far as the weather goes, I'm blown away that, you know, the roads are in this quality. Oh my God, holy God. Don't do this, seriously. Do not drive with summer tires, for God's sakes. I think I'm just gonna keep my all seasons on until maybe end of March at this point. You know, I guess that's kind of a maybe next season type of topic, just because we're nearing that anyway. But this is what New England's like, guys. I know some of you guys have interest in maybe moving here. I have a couple people like always asking, you know, what are the roads like? What's the car community like? Well, everything's all great except for the weather. This guy just like sketching me out. He's speeding up, slowing down. Listen, I get it. Front wheel drive, Kia Soul. And I feel bad for these people behind me because I know that truck is capable. He caught up to me dumb quick, but unfortunately we have this in front of me. So yeah, I had this this moving van cut in front of me, which was sweet because, as you can see, if I stop, oh my God. Oh my God. And touchdown. I hope that wasn't a curve for the sake of the wheel, but let's see if someone lets me go. Super sketchy, guys. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Holy crap, guys. That was one of the most terrifying things. But hey, you saw it here first. That Kia Soul, down for the count. Down. Just this is the sketchiest driving. I've never driven in something like this, quite frankly. I've grown up in, you know, with this type of weather. One thing I'm gonna have to 100% do is I might just pull off if I have a shot, just to take a peep at my wheel. The one thing I just want to make sure is the tires just seated still. That type of, you know, I don't think there's really going to be any damage to the wheel. I could be wrong, but yeah, that was gnarly. All right, damage report. I think this is the wheel that hit, right? We're chilling. No damage. The tire looks good. That is quite a surprise. And I think the worst thing is there's so many freaking cops out here. I still don't know if having a GoPro strapped to my face is legal. It's completely out of my line of sight. You guys would actually laugh if you saw kind of the setup that I have. It's so angled to the point where I'm able to have it like right above my eyes, but I worry that some cops maybe don't like it. However, I'll tell you right now, for this situation, talk about liability. I can film it if I ever do get into an accident. Hey, GoPro on the face, caught the entire thing, you know, that type of thing. But usually, again, with this types of like snowstorms, I'm 100% like traction off, race mode, going sideways, you know, filming a good video for you guys. But this is kind of the flip side where I actually truly don't have any trust in this car with this type of condition. It's so bad. It's so unbelievably bad. Yeah, guys, holy smokes. If, again, I do hope that none of you guys also have to endure this, and if you do, it's you know, short trip, short travel. Again, anything can happen to anybody. Everyone thinks like, you know, it's all about like having the right setup, but hey, you can have the right setup and still something can go wrong. It's like other people on the road too. You guys use the Kia Soul as an example. I'm not trying to make an informative video. I think that's kind of what it's coming off as, and I do apologize because those videos are not very entertaining. However, yeah, it's something to kind of bear in mind that anything can kind of happen to anybody. You guys are probably wondering what this this orange triangle has to do with, or why that's lit up on the dash. It's simply because my when my radar gets all kind of like fogged up with, you know, snow accumulation, you name it, it's unusable. So instead of the car trying to figure it out, oh, here we go. That's another thing. You guys know that situation all too well. I'm not turning traction off, none of this stuff. It's all staying on. We conveniently have a state trooper back there, which is nice. Love to see it. As far as kind of like stop and go, this car is fine. It's, again, the all-wheel drive helps it, but it's only when it comes to like turns, especially turns with like negative camber. In any situation, if you're like going fast, if it's dry, you know, negative camber goes against sort of the you know, high performance driving. Same with weather, you know, if it's crappy, you know, weather, if it's slick, you're gonna 100% go the angle of the road. So something to kind of bear in mind. Let's see if that state trooper, nope, uninterested. But like, look at this road as an example. I should have my wipers on. But like, I'm so worried about my oil pan right now. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Again, these are the dangers. I know I show you guys the fun, the glamorous side of when it snows and, you know, having a silly tire, but I'll tell you now, it's so not worth. See another cop, like, I don't know why they're out. Maybe to help people. I think they're just trying to bust people who come out to drift. Maybe that could be the reason, but yeah, I wanted to make this video because first and foremost, I had the opportunity to have my camera. I never had my GoPro on me, so this was kind of a blessing in disguise. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys learned something, that it's not always fun when it snows. And anyway, we'll end it there. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.